A well-done PPC campaign brings in additional revenue for your clients. It allows small and medium-sized businesses to compete with the big guys for much less money than a traditional advertising campaign would cost them. Yet, getting your PPC ads to perform the way you need them to is often easier said than done. Are you having trouble? You're not alone. Several PPC ad problems are pretty standard. In this video, we will learn how to fix the most common PPC ads problems. Let's take a look at the 3 biggest challenges that you may encounter. 1. You're not getting enough impression share. One of the most common PPC problems is an ad or ad group that's not being seen, measured by a metric called impression share. Impression share is the percentage of total impression your ads receive compared to the total number of impressions it is eligible to receive. Well, why do ads lose impression share? There are several possibilities, but the most likely ones are the following. Your budget is lower than ideal, your ad rank is not high enough, or 3, you're not bidding enough. When you're trying to improve your PPC ads, you must realize that impressions are the first stage of the life cycle. If your ads aren't getting enough impressions, it's a poor start. The solution is to make sure they are seen from now on. The best thing to do is to adjust your budget to the maximum limit. With the low budget, you'll struggle to make waves among the competitors. 2. Low click-through rate. The next step in your PPC optimization strategy should be to consider how many clicks you're getting. More specifically, we can evaluate your ad's click-through rate. Click-through rate is the ratio showing how often people see your ad and end up clicking it. The formula is the total number of clicks your ad received divided by the total number of impressions and then multiply the results by 100. After impressions, CTR is the most significant piece of the lead generation puzzle. That is why a high CTR is typically a good sign of relevant targeting and a well-optimized ad copy. Perhaps your problem is that people are seeing your ads but not clicking on them. This results in a low click-through rate. If your ads are generating a low CTR, you need to find the problem. This could happen due to low impression share, irrelevant audience targeting, or a side effect of poor ad rank. With those potential causes in mind, the solution is to align better your content, ads, and landing pages with more relevant keywords. Number 3, too many of your clicks fail to generate leads. Getting lots of clicks is excellent, but it's not good if those clicks are all from users who never become leads. This is a big one because it's sure to make your clients upset. After all, they're spending money on these clicks. Lead generation is the stage of your sales funnel where you persuade people in the consideration phase of the customer journey to become your customer. It is a crucial stage, and it's a massive step in making your PPC campaign profitable. This could happen because you're bombarding the same prospects with too many ads, irrelevant search queries trigger your ad copy lacks a solid call to action, or your landing page is the actual problem. The problem with poor lead generation can usually be traced back to something in your control, which is the bad news. But it's not all bad news though, because it also means that the solutions are in your power as well. Here's what you can do to improve lead generation. Don't bid on all keywords. Instead, focus on the ones that are the most related to your products or services. This will make it easy for real leads to find your services and products. Craft a better headline. Include essential information. Use a strong call to action. When you work on your keywords, headlines, and call to actions, you'll have more compelling PPC ads. Therefore, you'll not need to bombard people with ads, which only deters them. In the end, quality is much more effective than quantity. Takeaways. PPC is as vast and as deep as the ocean. No matter how long you've been exploring it, there's always something new to discover. But when you're new to online advertising, it can be challenging to know where the ideal limits are. To truly be successful with PPC, it takes a lot of attention to detail, dedication, and constant monitoring. You don't have time to do anything but focus on PPC ads. And with the right tools at your disposal, you don't have to. The workload can be significantly reduced with smart data-driven analytics provided to you by Compass by Youre Media. Fortunately, there are plenty of resources out there to make the journey a bit more navigable, like our PPC tools. Reach out to one of our representatives to tap into each one of the benefits mentioned above. You'll learn more about our Youre Media Compass features and what it can offer to your agency. Remember to leave your comments below or subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate the notification bells. See you in the next video.